If you want to share a contact on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, first you need to open the phone app, go to Contacts in the bottom right corner, and then select the contact that you wish to share. Tap on this gray eye icon on your right side in order to open the details, and then at the bottom you will find Share button. Press it, and then you can either share it through the text, and then you can press Done, and choose how you want to share it, for instance by using a phone number through a text message or something. Or you can choose vCard file, VCF. Look, it looks like this. You can also tap on More over here in the bottom right corner and create a QR code that can also be used in order to share the contact with someone. Now, once someone else receives the QR code, then they can go to these three dots on the right side and choose Scan QR code in order to add the QR code contact. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!